In this video will be my stash video. This will be all the fireworks I got from Great Grizzly Fireworks from their giveaway. So let's get started. Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you my fireworks stash. This is part one. I got all this in a giveaway from Great Grizzly Fireworks. They were giving out $200 gift card on their social medias, and I won it, so I got most of the stuff, the $200 gift card, got a few extras, but anyways, let's get into it. So first off, we have the unicorn fountain. This has some weight to it, by Great Grizzly Fireworks. There's performance. Next up, we have two Saturn missile batteries by Maddox Fireworks. Little QR code there. Next up, we have Dragon's Breath by Great Grizzly Fireworks. This thing has some weight to it. I haven't found any demos on this cake, but I'll make sure to demo it. It is quite heavy. Next up, Bad Beach 410 shot. This is a 360 gram cake. It's kind of like a fountain. I'll make sure to demo this. Next up, we have Shark Bait. Another heavy, I'm assuming it's sort of like Dragon's Breath, but it's never another really heavy cake. Shark Bait. I don't know if it's one of their newer cakes because I haven't seen any demos out. Next up, we have Red Fang, 8 shots by Machine Made. Got 2 of these, 500 grams, performance. Next up, Big Chief by Great Grizzly Fireworks. Again, it's sort of like the Shark Bait and Dragon's Breath. It's 7 shots, I believe. I don't know if they're part of a set or not, but definitely similar. And then we have a Pokeball fountain. This is pretty neat that they packaged it like this. So can't wait to light this off. Our Powerball fountain. And then we have Havoc, 500 gram cake, 8 shot by Blast Wave Fireworks. Never heard of them before. This one's definitely a lot lighter compared to these other 3 kind of circular 7 shots. This one's 8 shots though. And last we have Cherry Red. Performance by Great Grizzly Fireworks. So yeah, this is what I all got from the Great Grizzly giveaway. I got a $200 gift card. I got these fireworks at the Noonan, Atlanta location. So make sure to go follow Great Grizzly Fireworks. They make some great products. And make sure to check out the rest of my channel too. Have a good one, guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye.